Most B2B websites don't work. They look pretty, but they don't actually generate any leads. Here's the thing. Your website should be your number one salesperson. It should be working 24/7 and always bringing in qualified leads. But if it is just a brochure, then it's never going to move the needle because you're not focusing on the right things. We were working with one of our B2B clients this week, and I realized all B2B sites that aren't generating leads have the same 3 issues. Issue number 1, unclear positioning. If someone visits your site and they can't tell what you do and who you do it for within 5 seconds or less, they're gone. They're not coming back. Issue number 2, no buyer intent keywords. Your site might be generating traffic, but if it's not targeting the specific keywords that your ideal customers are searching for, then it won't lead to actual dollars. Issue number 3, you don't have a conversion strategy. Just say you have the ideal customer on your website. They're ready to buy. If they can't figure out what to do next, like fill out this form or email us or call us, they're going to bounce and they're not coming back. B2B SEO isn't about generating more traffic. It's about building a system that turns the right visitors into sales-ready qualified leads. When your website has clear messaging, targets the right users, and tells them exactly what to do next, it goes from being just a brochure to your number one salesperson.